In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. First of all, to get autocorrection on your phone, you need to tap on Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Gbaord. Now install this free Gbaord keyboard from Google Developer, and when it's ready, click on Open. Now click on Enable in Settings. Tap on this gray switcher next to Gbaord and select OK in Attention pop-up. Then click on the Back button. Now tap on Select Input Method and click on Gbaord in order to set it up. Lastly, click on Done and close your app. Then go into Devices Settings right away. Now scroll all the way down, click on General Management, tap on Gbaord Settings and access Text Correction. Lastly, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to autocorrection to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!